Hey guys, today I'm teaching you if Google Maps platform is still the best choice for developers building location-based apps in 2025 or if it's time to switch. Google Maps platform continues to lead in 2025 with real-time traffic data, Street View, Places API, Routes API, and global coverage across 200 plus countries, offering devs powerful features like geolocation, autocomplete, dynamic maps, and easy integration with Android, web, and backend systems. But while it's reliable and widely supported, the pricing has gotten stricter compared to alternatives like Mapbox or OpenStreetMap. So, if you need the most accurate, developer-friendly, and scalable solution with strong documentation and regular updates, Google Maps still stands as the go-to platform for serious apps needing precision and user trust. That's the full review. Build smarter with the right tools, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fast dev tool breakdowns.